Want to drive car in Bus Simulator Indonesia? In this video, I will guide you through how can you add car mode in Bus Simulator Indonesia. First, go to this mode option. Now from here tap on download mode vehicles. From here select any vehicle you want to play with. Now tap on this download button and tap on the first option from here. Your download will start automatically. After completing the download, go back to the game. Here tap on this import option. Now go to this device gallery. From here tap on the three line at the top left corner. Then click on recent. You will see the downloaded mode here. Tap on that, then click free from here. Now you have to watch an ad. The mod has been imported successfully. Now go to the garage. Now from here select your car. Comment below if you want this car mode. Just tap on use button to play with the car. I am using my yellow car. Let's play. As you can see, I can play with the car. That's how you can add car mode in Bus Simulator Indonesia. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.